Do not go gentle into that good night. Old age should burn and rave at close of day. Rage, rage against the dying of the light. Dylan Thomas' poem, Do Not Go Gentle Into That Good Night, must be one of the most significant meaning moments at the crescendo of Faustian civilization. It is certainly not, as relentlessly idiotic critics proclaimed, a pondering of personal death or the death of Thomas's father. The genuine poet never speaks of himself. Written in 1947 in Florence of all places, Dylan Thomas' poem sings once more to Faustian man to give his last and his best before his flame burns out forevermore. 1,000 years in the making. The culture that produced Bach, Wagner, Beethoven, Hegel, Kant, Hobbes, Dante, Goethe, Shakespeare, Newton, Descartes, Pascal, Bacon, Machiavelli, Michelangelo, Raffaello, Da Vinci, Turner, that produced the natural sciences, air travel, space travel, the car, the steam engine, the internet, the telephone, electric light, nuclear energy, genetics, weaponry on a scale so unimaginably destructive and terrifying it could destroy the entire planet. This Faustian culture is now morphing into a civilization. Its inevitable ossification, its end state before its disappearance. But do not go gentle into that good night. All hope for rejuvenation is perhaps futile. Only a last crescendo is in the offing to gift itself to the world. Wild men who caught and sang the sun in flight, and learned too late they grieved it on its way. Do not go gentle into that good night. Do not go gentle into that good night was also Spengler's demand of Faustian man. Are you ready to be witness to your destiny?